if you're seeing this face for the very first time, thank you for clicking on this video, and I'd love for you to stay. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and most importantly the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my old and returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. So yeah, this is my first vlog for 2023, first ever, and today I got myself a ring light and a microphone, and I'm super excited because I'm gonna be doing a lot of sit down videos this time around. So yeah, I haven't unboxed it. I got this gift. It wasn't a gift. I got this parcel like 2 weeks ago, and I haven't even opened it yet. So I wanted to do this with you guys. Yeah. So drum roll. Okay, yeah, so this is the parcel. I got it off an online store on Instagram. Her name is The Essentials. I'll put the link down below in the description box. So yeah, this is how it came, and yeah, so I'm just gonna and I also got myself a microphone because in our part of the world where we come from, you cannot make videos without hearing background noises and all that. So yeah, I got myself a wireless microphone. I'm here to connect it to my phone to see if it will work. If it does, I'll really be happy, but fingers crossed. So let's just get right into it. So this is a 12-inch ring light, and I'm just looking for the best. I think it comes with a small tripod stand, and then let's just get right into it. Okay, so let's first unbox this one to see. Okay. I forgot I didn't get myself a scissors. That's fine. That's fine. So yeah, this is the tripod, and I'll set it up. How is this thing? I'll set it up for you to see. I'll like do a video because I'm sitting down. Supposed to open like this, but I think there's a problem here. I think there's a problem with this part. forgot that this was in as well. So I'm guessing if I don't have the manual, so I'm just going to look on this paper. Okay, so okay, so I hope you can see it. I think this goes in here. It's together. Yeah. And probably this. Oh, so we would have to take this off again. Ouch. Because I'm sure this goes in like this. Yeah. So it goes here. Really? Okay. I just hope I'm not going to break anything by when I'm done setting this up. Okay, so just tighten it like this. Okay. So adjust and adjust. Okay, so this came with it. I think this is a small. Let's float onto this one and see. I don't know. Oh. Yeah. Why am I doing this to myself? Okay, so okay. Probably I'll be doing a lot of cooking videos probably soon. Wow. My heart just jumped and skipped a beat because I thought okay, so you can actually adjust it to how you want it. Okay, so this is how the small one will come out like. So now let's put it onto the longer tripod to see how it looks. Let me bring this down. I'm just going to screw this onto the voila. I think I didn't tighten this part well. I'll do that later. Hey. Why is this thing? Or is it just gonna keep rotating like this? I don't know, but this one starts to very long, so I don't know why it keeps on rotating like. Seriously. Okay. Anyway, we're just gonna go right with it like that. Okay, so here is how it comes with the tripod. And so I'm gonna plug it in to see the lights that comes on. Since I am seated, I cannot put it on this for you to see. Oh, 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 guys, I'm super excited. Super excited. Let me put it here so you see. I'm super excited. So there's a plus sign here. Let's see. Okay, so I think the plus sign brightens the light, and the minus sign actually dims the light. Oh wow, I love this. So I don't know how many shades this comes in. Let's see. Oh, okay, this is like a yellowish color. And oh, I love this. I'm about to abuse it, guys. I love this pure white. So let's see. Let's try to brighten it. Oh, wow. Try to dim it. Okay, yeah. So I think it's three shades. Okay, this is the first shade. Should I term it like an off-white kind of thing? Yeah, probably. And this is a yellowish, and this is the white. Guys, I don't know why I'm super excited. Like these little things, I mean, they excite me. Being able to buy a ring light, I never once thought I needed it, but yeah, once I have it, I feel excited. I've had this like for close to 2 weeks now, and I was so busy that I really wanted to unbox it with you guys, but due to work and all that, I haven't had the time. Wow. Wow, I love it. Yeah, you see how it goes back like that. It has this ball light here. That's what I love about it. So you can just adjust it to anywhere you want. Oh wow, this is lovely. This is lovely. Okay, so let me quickly go on to the microphone. So this is a wireless microphone, and I haven't even tried it on my phone yet. But let's just unbox it. This is how it looks like. And when you open it, ta-da! Okay, so let's just see how it looks like. Oh wow. So this is the microphone. I can actually hold it just like this, or attach it to my dress. And I think this is the cord attachments to the phone. And this probably, I think if you have a Type C iPhone, whatever, you attach it to this. Let's see. Let me see if there's a manual. It comes with a manual. It does. And this is probably like the cord. I don't know what it does to charge it or something. And this is the manual. Yay! Yippee! Okay, so we have introduction, ID, diagram, how to use, and yeah. Okay, so let me see. Let me quickly connect it to my phone, and we'll get started. Let me quickly connect it and see how it works. Yeah. So guys, um, yeah, this is me with the microphone, and I must say I love it because it was so difficult for you to hear what I was saying. I mean, the clarity of the voice, and this cancels any background noise. There's a lot of noise going on in my house, but this here cancels it all, and this here is gonna be a lifesaver. I'm about to start abusing it. So yeah, I can actually hold it like this or attach it to my dress. But I prefer to hold it like this anyway. But anyway, guys, um the ring light is on and the microphone is also on. So you see the effect ring light has on videos as well as having a microphone. So I would recommend anyone who hasn't yet got one to do, please do get one, because this this is a game changer. I was actually hesitant back then um on getting a microphone and a ring light, but I feel like it actually does the work. Even if you don't have a camera, you could still use these tools to achieve whatever it is you want. Yep. So my next purchase, I really want to get a camera because my phone is already tired as it is, storage being full, deleting, it's quite a lot of work. Well, that shouldn't stop you from your dreams. If you want to start a YouTube channel this 2023, please do. Please do. Yeah, so guys, we've come to the end of this video, and thank you guys, thank you so much for sticking with me throughout the video. And I would appreciate it if you like, comment, and share. And most importantly, please do turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And share this video. I don't know if you just don't like me or anything of that sort, but come on, I'm trying to build a community here. So let's just all help each other here. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-da! Bye!